Today, we will be testing a new strategy indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing thousands of indicators and strategies, and I'm testing more every single day here on the channel. I've taken the information from my testing and compiled that into spreadsheets. And if you are interested in getting access to the original 1,100 plus tested indicators that took me over 3 years of testing to put together, you can get access absolutely free. Just click the link down below in the description that says 1100 plus free indicator list here. All right, as I said, today we will be testing a new strategy indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 696 different strategies, with 191 of them being winners. And so far, since we've been using the Nexus backtest indicator, we've tested the most recent 109 strategies. And out of those 109 strategies, we've been able to make every single one either more profitable than the original strategy or profitable when the original strategy wasn't, using the Nexus backtest indicator. And so far, the single best weekly profit from one single strategy has been $7,300. Before we get on with today's video, I realized I've never actually showed the spreadsheet here on the channel. And I feel like there's a lot of value here for the patrons of the channel. People might want to see what it is that they would be getting. So what we have here is the title of the source video. We have a link to the video that I made on the strategy. We have the win rate. Then here in blue is the really interesting stuff done with Nexus. We have a link to the layout, the win rate of the modified version, and its profit per week, as well as the indicator that I made if there is a custom indicator. And within this little bitty column right here, this is the settings that I changed within Nexus to get to these more profitable versions, which really helps the patrons understand what makes a profitable strategy. But the really cool things are these links right here. These are the forward testing links. So forward testing basically means we put Nexus into an environment where it forward tests the strategy like it's live trading in the market. And these are the links to that. And the ones marked with the green here means that they are profitable strategies in forward testing, generally over a couple hundred trades or at least 100 trades and a reasonable amount of profit. So we'll just run through 3 of them real quick. You can see this one right here, $635 profit per week. It's been trading for 2 months. This one here, over 2 months, almost 3, we have $784 in profit weekly. And then this one right here has only been trading for 24 days, but it has almost $1,800 a week in profit. So you can see how valuable these layouts and these links are to these forward testing. And it really gives you confidence that you can jump in with these strategies and hopefully continue to earn money with them. All right, let's go ahead and get back to today's testing. All right, as I said, today we will be testing a new strategy indicator. And so the source video says I replaced RSI with this, and my entries got cleaner instantly. So obviously we don't know if the creator of the source video was actually using the RSI or not. We just kind of have to take their word on it. And as far as the entries getting cleaner, we don't really know what they were using before. So again, we don't know whether or not the entries got cleaner or not. But we will obviously put this indicator to the test and see what we can get out of it. The indicator that we have on screen is called the IDX-5 up. It's going to be this one here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. If you want, you can jump into the settings. And what I did was in the settings, just under the styles, I just turned off all these 3 selections right here. Then go ahead and click OK. And so at this point, what you'll be left with is simply these buy and sell tags like this here. And obviously this gives us something very easy for Nexus to attach to. So when we get a buy tag like this, that will be a signal to enter into a long. And so we would set our trade right here. We'd put our stop just right below this little pivot area here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, put us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. All right, you can see how we make this really nice steady climb to the upside here, getting us to our take profit. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers on this indicator. So we'll just go ahead and exit out of the bar replay like so. Give it just a moment to load the results from Nexus here. Okay, so we have a 44.5% win rate, 275 trades altogether. We looked back about 20,000 bars, and that was about 3 months worth of trading. That's going to put our total profit and loss at a gain of $19,526. Puts our total profit and loss per week at a gain of $1,328. And so a really good result from just the default settings. Now, again, running through how we trade this, we take the first buy or sell signal that comes up. We put our stop at the last swing point, high or low. And we target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, and we let it play out. It either hits our stop or it hits our take profit, and then we enter into the next sell or buy that appears, and we just continue doing it that way. Now, normally, this is the point in the video where I show you a version that I was able to get better results, better profit from. But this is the first case where I was actually unable to get better profit from this particular strategy. The default, just like it is set up, just like this here, was the best I was able to get. Now, $1,300 a week, is it going to make you rich? No, but that's a pretty decent amount of money per week. And so look at the TradingView strategy report here. You can see that we have a real nice steady climb to the upside. It's not climbing really quick, but it's climbing and climbing and climbing. And so all in all, seems like a really solid strategy. Obviously, I'd have to go back a little bit ways and see what else we can get out of it. Just right off the way we have it set up right here seems to, again, be relatively solid. So now, of course, in the spreadsheet, we provide tons of strategies of different varieties and different profits to you, to the patrons of the channel. If that's something you're interested in, you're not a patron of the channel, then of course you find the link down below. And the spreadsheet contains tons of information about hundreds of strategies that we've tested, over 100 that we've used Nexus with, and manually tested hundreds and hundreds with the settings that we've tweaked in Nexus and so on to get to the profitable versions, as well as links to forward tests of all those. So you can actively click on those forward test links, pull it up, and you can see exactly which strategies have been profitable in a real-time forward test environment. And so a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, again, if you're interested. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and obviously put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.